Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junk Works. Well, I'm here doing a whole bunch of electrical, as you can see, and I got my tools here in my bag. Very happy with this bag. So whoever made the, I don't know, Hask or Ilask, I honestly can't tell. I'm sure there's electricians out there that know what it is, but I don't. But this is not regarding the bag necessarily. It's more the tools in it. And specifically the ones I've done some reviews on that I thought I was happy with. And that's these here. The commercial electric screwdrivers. And quite honestly, I'm still happy with the screwdrivers, the Phillips and the flathead when I use them. But I'm finding I'm not using those a lot because the new breakers here have the square in, also like right here, the ground connections here have these square ones. Well, the one that comes with the kit, as you can see, is way too small, and it's also too small for the breakers, so it won't work for any of this stuff. I have found a few on some older ones where it's worked, but not on newer stuff. So that's kind of why I bought that kit, to be honest, right there. And although I'd say quality, it's okay for a DIY or homeowner. Obviously, probably for a real electrician who's doing it day in and day out, they're going to want to spend more money on tools. But for me, I'm not doing it enough. Just the stuff I need to do at home, which, I mean, I'm probably doing above what the average guy does. Most people don't mess with this stuff, and I'm not doing a video on this because it's in my garage. I'm having it inspected, don't worry about that. Although because of the COVID-19 thing, there's no inspections going on in my area. They won't come to your house and inspect stuff, but right now I still got plenty of work I can do, so hopefully by the time I'm ready for it, they'll be ready to do it too. But yet again, the purpose of this video, and I will be doing one in my home, a sub panel in my home, so keep an eye. I mean, that's going to be down the road, so at some point I will do more electrical stuff. Regardless, what my main thing is here, and as you know, I don't get to the point always, is this Pittsburgh Harbor Freight one, the big one with the straight edge or flat edge or standard or whatever you want to call it, screwdriver end. Works well, but you need the big one. It works well for everything I'm doing, really, to be honest. It's been my go-to thing. And quite honestly, when I did the videos, I set this one aside and didn't really do much on it because I didn't think I would use it. And honestly, I've been using it almost constantly. And usually when I need just a regular Phillips or a regular standard, I end up going to my Craftsman ones in here because I'm usually not dealing inside the panel. It's stuff, you know, outside, like the holders here that hold your wires in the box. I can't think of the name right now. Once again, my brain doesn't work all the time when the camera goes on for some reason. But regardless of that, I will say I'm happier with the Pittsburgh ones right now than I am with these, what are they again? The commercial electric ones. Purely because of use. I am not finding I'm using any of these. I am mostly using this one. So, regardless, you choose what you want to do when it comes to the types of tools you want to buy, and it always depends on what you're doing and how much of it you're going to be doing. But I've been very happy with this one. Not so much with that over there. Alright, well, thank you for watching Junk Works DIY Garage, where I'm proud to be a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.